those who honor God and seek His wisdom will receive His guidance in making life's decisions. In a world filled with conflicting values and influences, this passage reassures believers that God is faithful to direct their steps if they seek Him with respect and openness. It encourages us Christians to cultivate a heart of reverence in trusting that God's ways are higher and more reliable than our own understanding. It also invites us as a believer of Christ to seek God's guidance not only in major decisions,